Can you hear that beep? That is the crocodile alarm going off. There is crocodiles nearby.
What movie did we watch last night?
Debbie Does Dallas. Oh, Rogue as well. What the fuck is that?
Sweetheart, so this is how you walk a crocodile.
Jesus Christ.
Right, so when it hits you... It's a little bit like Weight Watchers, yeah? Just jumping for two, but you only need to get one. We do got some of the weight out here. We're a little bit like the Weight Watchers. Now, I will explain a little bit more about the eating habits when we get the next crocodile. About now. Yeah, well, now.
Whoa,
Wow.
that's huge.
Belly jelly, isn't that beautiful belly jelly you see right now? That is amazing.
again for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of our travel adventures. Make sure to catch our next video as we make our way into the World Heritage listed Kakadu National Park. So until next time, happy vacationing and bye for now.